Hey, it's Alex again, and I'm going to teach you how to do another Rubik's Cube trick. Basically, what this one is going to do is it's going to get a T onto each side, and it just looks really cool like that. So, and then I'm also going to show you another one when I'm done. So it's going to be front, front, right, right, up, up, front inverted, back, down, down, left, left, front, and back. If you notice, there's black and yellow, green and yellow, red and orange. It's basically the reverse of all the colors into a T, but it looks very cool and pretty awesome. That's it for now, I guess.